Hey, how you doing? It's Garage Door Mike, back with another custom door opener installation. This is a new one for everyone and for you, I'm sure. So thanks for tuning in. So we have a Chamberlain opener, and this is a tracked door. There's no overhead door at all. This thing runs right there on two wheels there, two wheels there, and two little wheels here, which I have doused in motor oil, like doused. There's also a nice fancy contraption down here to keep the door centered and on line so that it doesn't just fly out of the opening. It is like a little 9x7 or an 8x7, probably an 8x7. It's all bolted up with angle iron here, here, and there. The photo eyes were very, very, very difficult to put on. There's one way down there, and the other one is over here on this. This is where how far off I was. Okay, I mounted the wood here. I ended up mounting it like about a foot back. Craziness. There's another cool little contraption there that keeps it all rolling. All right, please work now that I'm on the video. Please work, please work, please work, please work. And there she goes. Can you believe it? Goodness gracious. And there's our mount. Okay, got some commercial angle. This arm's all custom done here. Got a through bolt on there with a lock washer, and there it is. Can you believe it? Ladies and gentlemen, look at, there's the opener. Way down there. For all your custom garage door opener needs. Especially these ones on the track, we specialize in these now. 630-271-9343. www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. We'll like you. We'll like you anyways. Thank you for watching our side-winded, side mount, track, horse farm stable, tracked opener, garage door video. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching.